if you don't know, I had the honor and privilege of being in Janae's wedding, and I never expected to be a bridesmaid again in my 40s, and I got to be one, and it was amazing. So yes, I think what I've learned or been reminded of is just to treasure, appreciate, and nurture relationships with other people, particularly in this case, of course, Danae, but also just making sure you do stay in touch with people. And I just learned it was a good reminder, I guess, of the value of having relationships with other people and keeping up with those relationships. So, and like Danae, our relationship to me is invaluable, certainly at this point. But when I first met her, my paralegal said, Judge Addie's clerk came by. I walked into my office and she said, Judge Addie's clerk came by. I said, like, physically showed up at the office? She was like, yeah. I was like scratching my head going, do I owe him an order? Why would he send his clerk? Why would his clerk just send me an email? I don't understand. And then Danae came by another day and asked me to do it. And I was like, oh, sure, that would be great. And so there's kind of this relief because I was like, why is he sending his clerk? But I just have learned, like I say, the value of relationships and nurturing those and having somebody, because the thing is, Danae says she can call me and I may know, but the thing is I can also call her. So I would say it's become even though I think a mentor or mentee, the mentor has more knowledge because of experience, and that doesn't always equate. I've learned a lot from Danae.